Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn about the ngFor directive. ngFor directive is used to dynamically generate a list of elements by iterating over a collection. So basically ngFor is used for the iterating or iteration, we can say. It is a powerful way to create a repetitive DOM elements in the Angular. Okay, so simple, using the ngFor to display a list. Like suppose there are, we can say about the, if I want to show a list of products, list of catalog, in that case I need ngFor because I have an array of elements or array of objects and I want to iterate. I will go with the ngFor directive. So this is a simple example that you can see. Just use it in our template file. Okay, so here we go with this one. Here we require the items. Okay, so let's declare that one items in our component file. Okay, so this is our component file data. Let's go to the app.components, and here I'm going to define the items. Okay, items is to be a string. Okay, string array, apple, banana, cherry. And here you can see that now this gonna be, I want to render this. How I can do this with the help of the ngFor. Okay, so here you can see that I have used ngFor display a list using the ngFor. Let item, this is what I need to just wrap out, and here is the items that we have already defined over here. So this gonna be iterate, and this is the whatever name should be given so that we can put the data from here. Whether it's to be object, then according to it we have to iterate. Okay, if I just save it and go to the front end, here you can see that it's iterated. Okay, apple, banana, cherry, date, and here you can see multiple. If I just inspect this, you can see that. Okay, so this is added already, right? Okay, and if you want to add the index and conditional classes, okay, so enhanced ngFor display a list with index. If I want to add the index and conditional classes, I will go with the let I is equal to index. So this is how I can add the index. And if I want to go with the conditional classes, like this to be another css, this to be another class, so in that case we can use like this. Okay, class dot even, class dot odd. According to it, I'm going to add it. Let's have a look of that one. So here you can see this is li. So li, I'm going to add a class even odd. Okay, so class dot even I, that is the index, and we are doing the modulus. Okay, if the class should be added if the modulus divided the modulus 2 divide equal to 0, then it's even class is added. Otherwise it will go with the odd class. Okay, and we have the index plus the item to iterate. Okay, let's save this, go to the front end, and here you can see that index is there, right? And the class is already added. I guess there is even odd. Okay, so conditional, if you want to add, you will go with like this. Okay, class dot even, class dot odd. Okay, so this is how, so you can add it. And let's do some styling part also. So here we have this one. I hope I have the classes. No, I don't have. So you can just make the class like this. So this is even basically. So even would be color red. Okay, and if I just put the odd classes, you can make the class like odd to be color yellow or something. So you can do like this conditional. If you want to add with the ngFor, you can add it, right? Okay, this is how it is done. Now we have the basic iteration. ngFor let items to be items iterates over the items array, and item holds the value of the current element. Index variable, let I is equal to index. What does it mean? Provides the index of the current element starting from the 0. Conditional styling. So class dot even, class dot odd applies the even class if the index is even, and applies the odd class if the index is odd. Okay. There is the important point. ngFor dynamically updates the DOM when the underline the data changes. Here's how Angular handles the updates the DOM based on the changes in the iterator. Adding an item. A new item is created for the add item. Removing item, the corresponding DOM element is removed. Reordering items, the DOM elements are reordered to match the new sequence. Object entity. Angular tracks the items by their identity. If the data source changes and the produces new object entities, example from the server response, Angular might remove and recreate the entire DOM, even if the data is same. So see, this is very important. Angular might remove and recreate the entire DOM if the even the data is same. So performance, how we can optimize this performance, right? So we can use performance optimization with trackby. What it will do, to avoid the unnecessary DOM destruction and recreation, the use of the trackby function. This function tracks changes using a unique identifier like the ID, ensuring the efficient updates. Okay, so the trackby is very important, because currently what will happen whenever we try to render something, it will remove and recreate the entire DOM, whether the data is same or not. If the data is same, again it recreate the entire DOM and remove that previous one. So this is leads to the performance issue. In that case, how we can optimize it? You can use the trackby. In the next video, we are going to learn about the what is trackby. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.